The LUMOS is our fully automated standalone FT-IR microscope. The rock-solid interferometer at the heart of the LUMOS and the integrated 8x objective deliver a perfect mix of brilliant visual inspection and great infrared spectroscopic performance, whilst the design of the instrument ensures maximum ease of use. The LUMOS features a large space between stage and objective, allowing for easy mounting of large or awkwardly shaped samples. For user convenience, the ATR crystal is integrated into the objective and avoids cumbersome and imprecise slide-on FT-IR accessories. The design of the motorized XY stage provides high lateral resolution when large areas are analyzed. For users in the automotive industry, the LUMOS is a powerful tool enabling the analysis capabilities of FT-IR microscopies for samples that would be otherwise hard or impossible to measure on other systems. The large working distance and open design of the sample area means that large samples such as pistons, electric motor housing or circuit boards can be inspected for wear, defects or contaminants without preparation. All the components of the LUMOS are motorized and electronically coded, and all functions of the instrument are software controlled, leading to an intuitive and smart workflow. A major innovation in the LUMOS is the integrated ATR crystal in the objective, which allows the system to switch instantly from transmission or reflection into ATR mode without changing the hardware accessories. The LUMOS is controlled by Bruker's powerful Opus software, which guides the user through the data acquisition process step by step. First, the operator performs visual inspection of the sample and defines the measurement position, mode and resolution, then starts the automatic acquisition. Each step, only the relevant functions are presented, guaranteeing an efficient and straightforward workflow. The resulting data can also be evaluated and visualized in Opus. A wide array of analysis techniques is available, along with a range of spectral databases for library searches. The LUMOS can be extended with a macro unit, enabling the analysis of larger bulk samples in addition to the core microscopic analysis capabilities. A large variety of sampling accessories are available that are automatically recognized and configured for use by the software. This flexible modular system allows the LUMOS to be used for chemical analysis of almost all kinds of samples, whether solid, liquid or gas. For straightforward FT-IR microscopy in a complete package, choose the LUMOS from Bruker.